You're lucky I had the double espresso this morning, Ken, because otherwise I would have been out in La La
That's
Land,
something
just
I
like do,
need.
do, do,
I
do, do. Yeah.
desperately need it. Thank you, Mike. Salute.
Yes, salute to you too. It starts off this morning with a little Cena Brindisi, a toast to the sunshine, because we get so much clear weather again today. Beautiful day to enjoy. A little bit lower air quality in the northeastern corner of the state, where some of that residual smoke is still lingering over toward Hackensack and Jersey City. So slightly poorer air quality for you, but other than that, we still make it to 90 degrees there. Up in Sussex and Newton, slightly cooler in the hills, but overall a decent feeling day. It's not terribly hot and humid. Currently, the air quality right now is good, especially down the shore. You've got that lovely breeze coming off of the water, keeping your air nice and clear. But the AQI is just around 100, and anytime it's 100 or lower, that's a moderate air quality, so that's good. But the big story, I think, will be turning toward the tropics. So we go down toward the Atlantic basin. There's the coast of Africa. There is the U.S. coast right there off screen. And this large red swath you see is what could be the potential track of our next tropical system. This blob you see here, not named yet, but it'll likely become Erin by the end of the day. And only when a storm is named does the National Hurricane Center issue a track, but it'll likely follow that long trail into the Caribbean or somewhere around there by the end of this week. So it's something to watch over the next several days and doesn't come anywhere near any mainland for at least the next week. So plenty of time to see where it develops and where it goes. Lots of heat out west. We have decent heat here in the east, especially through the end of the month. And the rainfall estimates are projected to be just on par with average through the end of the month. But you look around and you see how the grasses are starting to get pretty yellow if they're not watered regularly. So it has been pretty dry, with the exception of obviously those very heavy rain events. Likely have another heavy rain event on Wednesday with some storms that move through. Most of that happens in the northern part of the state, and then that'll clear out by Thursday, just in time for another beautiful weekend. A little bit of extra humidity hangs out overnight, Wednesday into Thursday. So it does get very damp and muggy, which is why temperatures hold in the mid 70s later at night. But then we'll clear and see a very pleasant dry trend into the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, only in the upper 80s, which will be very pleasant. The shore point's nice and cool in comparison, with a lovely sea breeze developing each and every day. We get plenty of clear sky. Highs only climb into the low 80s this weekend. Another spectacular beach weekend ahead. So if you haven't hit the Jersey Shore yet, now's the time to head on the Parkway and enjoy, because you've got some great weather ahead this week into this weekend, Ken.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Much appreciated.